Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the world of enterprise resource planning and exploring its essential modules that businesses use to streamline their operations. So, what do you understand by the term ERP modules? Well, ERP modules are individual components or sections within an ERP system, each designed to handle specific functions of a business. These modules typically cover key areas such as finance, human resources, manufacturing, inventory management, and customer relationship management. Now, let's break down the essential ERP modules that businesses commonly use. 1. Finance/accounts. This module handles all financial aspects including accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting. It ensures accurate financial data and compliance with regulations. 2. Human Resources Management, HRM. The HR module manages employee data, payroll, benefits, and performance evaluations. It helps streamline HR processes and improve workforce management. 3. Manufacturing. The manufacturing module optimizes production processes, from planning and scheduling to inventory management and quality control. It enhances efficiency and reduces production costs. 4. Inventory. Inventory modules manage all inventory-related transactions to maintain an optimal level of stock. It helps to control overstocking and understocking situations in the business. 5. Supply Chain Management. The SCM module oversees the entire supply chain, from procurement and vendor management to logistics and distribution. It ensures smooth operations and timely deliveries. 6. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. The CRM module manages customer interactions, sales leads, and marketing campaigns. It helps businesses build stronger customer relationships and increase sales. These are just a few examples of ERP modules, but there are many more tailored to specific industries and business needs. By integrating these modules, businesses can achieve greater efficiency, visibility, and agility in today's competitive market. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact us today to know more about how ERP modules can benefit your organization.